Good morning. For today's video, our topic is about 2 to 3 step word problems involving division of decimals. Math 6, Quarter 1, Week 10. And to start our discussion for today, let us first have our word problem of the day. Mang Ambo brought 2 bags of calamansi to the market. One bag weigh 7 kilograms and the other bag weigh 5 and 75 hundredths kilograms. Here pack the calamansi in plastic bags of 25 hundredths kilogram per pack and sold each pack for 10 pesos and 50 centavos. How much will he get if all the packs were sold? Again, Mang Ambo brought 2 bags of calamansi to the market. One bag weigh 7 kilograms and the other bag weigh 5 and 75 hundredths kilograms. He repacked the calamansi in plastic bags of 25 hundredths kilogram per pack and sold each pack for 10 pesos and 50 centavos. How much will he get if all the packs were sold? So let us solve the problem of Mang Ambo. And to solve the problem, we have to follow the steps in solving word problems. So first, we have to understand the problem. Step number 1. What is asked? Very good. How much will he get if all the packs were sold? Another. Very good. The total profits he get if all the packs were sold. So now, we already know what is asked in the problem. So what is the next step? Step number 2, what are the given facts? First, we have 7 kilogram and 5 and 75 hundredths kilogram of calamansi. Another given. Correct. 25 hundredths kilogram per pack. Another. Correct. 10 pesos and 75 centavos per pack. Now that we already know what are the given facts and what is asked in our problem, we can now proceed with plan or planning. We have to plan how we are going to solve the problem. So step number 3, what operations shall we use to solve the problem? Correct. We need to use addition, division, and multiplication. And what is the number sentence for this problem? So first, we have to add 7 plus 5 and 75 hundredths. Then after that, we are going to divide the sum into 25 hundredths. And finally, we are going to multiply the quotient to 10 pesos and 75 centavos to get the final answer. So next, after we understand the problem, after we plan how to solve the problem, we are now going to move on with solving the problem. Step number 4, we have to show our solution on how we solve the given problem. So again, this is our number sentence for our first problem. So first, I have to add 7 plus 5 and 75 hundredths. So the answer is 12 and 75 hundredths. Then after that, we are going to divide 12 and 75 hundredths divided by 25 hundredths. So what is the answer? The answer is 51. Then finally, let us multiply 10 and 75 hundredths times 51. And the product is 548 and 25 hundredths. So it means that our final answer for our first problem, which is about Mang Ambo, is 548 pesos and 25 centavos. Now, let us proceed with our example number 2, or for our word problem number 2. Are you ready to solve the problem? Very good. For our problem number 2, there are 15 girls and 20 boys who will equally share the expenses for a bus trip that costs 4,401 pesos and 25 centavos. How much will each pay? So again, let us read again the problem. There are 15 girls and 20 boys who will equally share the expenses for a bus trip that costs 4,000 pesos, I mean 4,401 pesos and 25 centavos. How much will each pay? So again, to solve the problem, we have to follow the steps in solving word problems. So first, we have to understand the problem. Step number 1, what is ask? Anyone? Yes? Correct. How much will each pay? Another answer. Very good. The total amount each of them will pay. So after we know what is asked in our problem number 2, let us now proceed with step number 2. And step number 2 is, what are the given facts? So what are the given facts? Can you give one? Yes? Correct. We have 15 girls and 20 boys. Another given facts. Correct. We have 4,401 pesos and 25 centavos. So these are the given facts in our problem number 2. So after we understand the problem, we have now to proceed with planning. We are going to plan how to solve the problem. So step number 3, what operations shall we use to solve the problem? Anyone? Yes? Correct. Addition and division. So what is our number sentence to solve this problem? So we have 4,401 pesos and 25 centavos divided by the sum of 15 and 20 to get the final answer. So after we understand, after we plan the problem, we have to solve it now. We have to solve the problem. So step number 4, show your solution. So again, this is our number sentence for problem number 2. So first step, we have to add 15 and 20. 15 plus 20, we will get 35. Then afterwards, 4,401 pesos and 25 centavos or 4,401 and 25 hundredths divided by 35. So what is the quotient? We'll get 125 and 75 hundredths. So it means that for our second problem, the final answer is 125 pesos and 75 centavos. Always remember, how do we solve word problems with 2 to 3 steps involving division of decimals? So first, we have to understand the problem. We have to answer what is asked and what are the given facts. Then after that, we have to plan. In planning, we have to answer this question. What operations shall we use to solve the problem? Then finally, we are going to solve the given problem. And as we solve the problem, we have to show your solution. And for our math tanong of the day, Bella saved 3 pesos and 50 centavos a day. When she counted her money, she found out that she had 101 pesos and 50 centavos. How many days did it take her to save that amount? Again, Bella saved 3 pesos and 50 centavos a day. When she counted her money, she found out that she had 101 pesos and 50 centavos. How many days did it take her to save that amount? Again, thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please do not skip our advertisement in this video. Bye!